First, please download the Altris Sync application. To start setting up the auto-upload process, please make sure you created 2 separate folders. One of them is for the exported files with the scans, the other one for the app itself. We can now unzip the file with the app that we downloaded into the previously created folder, in our case the folder called Altris Sync app. Right-click the zip folder and click Extract All. Choose the folder you created for the app. Now the app files are available in the folder. Double-click and double-click the Altris Sync icon here. Click More Info here and then Run Anyway. The app now should be opened. Now we have to choose the folder from which the app will transfer the exams from, the one you previously created, in our case the folder called Altris Scans. Click Browse and choose the folder. Please make sure that the folder for the export in your OCT settings is the same as the one you choose in the app. In Token field, please insert the token that our team has shared with you. To make it easier for you to access the app, click Create Desktop Shortcut here, then click OK. Click OK here again, and you're all set. Now just export your exams from your OCT into the folder you created for exams. Once there is a new file in the folder, the app will transfer it onto your account at Altris AI platform. If the transfer is successful, you'll see a green message at the bottom of your screen, and the log of the transfer will also be present in the app as well.